how to do a low pony. So normally, make sure you go check out weloveredpinecamp.com and you can just look at some information about that. But I normally wear these ponytails there or something. So what I do is, if my hair is down, I just want to quickly put it in. I'll grab all of my hair, and then I'll put the rubber band just on my wrist or something, and I'll grab it, and then just start tying it around until you have it. And then it's just like a quick and easy hair hack. You can wear a headband with it. Here, let's see. You can wear like a headband or something with it. I don't really know. But yeah, so that's just a quick low ponytail. So yeah, thanks for watching Hair Hacks for Girls. Thanks for watching. Bye.